Today we're sharing 3 books that can help you create really productive habits. I'm April Perry with LearnDoBecome.com. We're here to help you out of the overwhelm so you can do what matters most. So I was not organized while I was growing up. I grew up with lots of piles and lots of stuff, and the books that I've read truly have shaped my mind, helped me to feel calm, and helped me to be able to get the most important things done while balancing my personal life and a family and my profession. I hope that these books will do the same for you. Book number 1 is Getting Things Done by David Allen. This book was a game changer for me, and when you read it, you're going to learn how a system is going to calm your brain. Because when you're trying to hold all of your tasks, whether it's your calendared tasks, errands, routines, things that you need to do around the house, and all of that's in your head, that's when you can't fall asleep at night. That's when you can't be present. You're going to feel overwhelmed most of the time. But when you create a system and he outlines how to do it, then you feel like your brain can actually relax and be fully present, and it's a game changer. Book number 2 is Essentialism by Greg McKeown. So good. Basically, I learned that if you're trying to work on 20 projects at the same time, you're not going to get any of them done, which might seem like common sense, but as you learn about having buffer and reducing the amount of things that you're actually putting on your plate and having more time for rejuvenation and play, you start to realize that you don't have to hustle and run really fast in order to have a successful life. So this book hopefully will be on the top of your list. Book number 3 is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. You may have already heard about this book or read it or maybe watched some of her specials, but essentially she teaches us how to only keep the things in our lives that spark joy, the things that are most precious to us. We often want to hold on to things because we paid for them or because they spark memories, but when we only hold on to what's actually most important that we're using on a daily basis, it's a game changer. And just as you read the book, you're going to just want to clean and organize. And then when you combine what you learn in this book with what you learn from Essentialism and Getting Things Done, you start to feel like your life just kind of settles. If you maybe don't have time to read all of them, but you want some additional information, we have several podcasts we'll link in the description so you can listen and learn more principles that can support you. We want you to be able to learn and do and become, and to be able to have that sense of calm throughout your life. And whether it's books or podcasts or videos, as you put all of this support into your mind, you're going to start feeling like you can actually do the things that matter most.